Hey everybody, this is Brad with ShadowTrader.net, and in the current ShadowTrader Shorts video, I want to give you a potential trade idea in Lululemon. And Lululemon, of course, not too long ago had earnings on the I believe it was after the March 21st close. I believe it was after the bell, and the stock obviously gapped down pretty sharply. And normally when a stock gaps down with earnings, it's one of those things where let it gap down, wait 3 days, and then look for a buy point. And obviously that didn't happen. And the reason I find this intriguing and this, I think, setup is very, very interesting is because, when it gapped down here on the 22nd of March and then went down 1, 2, 3 days, there were 2 more days where the market just could not lift, or I should say the stock could not lift. And then there was another gap here several days ago. So hopefully, looking to the left, you can kind of see some potential levels, but I don't really like this one as much. Honestly, I like this one. And I really think that we need to keep this on the radar because the stock, if it fills this gap here, we're able to buy the stock at basically a 35% discount. And I say that because the stock at here was $515. And with this gap fill right here, going back to June 1st of 2023, there's a nice little range and gap fill between somewhere like $335 to $327. So I'm giving you the heads up now that this could be a nice little buy point for a bounce in Lulu. Now, obviously, most of us just saw what happened today. Later in the day, the market sold off over 500 points in the Dow. The S&P got crushed, the comp got crushed, the NDX got crushed, and the Russell got crushed. And this stock was already in a nice, obviously downtrend. We made a lower high here. And then, of course, after earnings, there was a big gap. So I really think that this stock, if it gets a little bit more weakness, should be in play for a bounce around the 335 to 327 level. And again, we're able to buy this stock at a 35% discount. When you think about the people that bought, even well north of 380, and of course, after the stock gapped down, people were hoping it was going to bounce back up. But you got a lot of people trapped up here. And I think after the gap down and then the, pretty steady selling, even into today, I think a little bit more selling will flush out everybody who just can't take the heat anymore. And then I think it would set us up for a really nice buy point, at the very least for a bounce in Lululemon. So anyway, that's it. I hope you find it helpful, and just set an alert. I'm not saying it's going to happen tomorrow or, maybe Monday, but put this on your radar, set an alert. Lululemon, time for the downward dog. Peace. See you soon. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.